friends, welcome back to my channel Arty and Crafty. Today I'm going to show you super fast balloons with the watercolor for kids, especially for kids. Here I'm using this poster colors and brush. So let's start. First we'll take a crayon. See, so here it is. I hope you like this video and kids will really enjoy this video. Please let them do this on their own, and I know this will be very super easy for them. So till then, happy arty and crafty, and keep liking and commenting. Thank you.